Guys, and today I'm gonna teach you how to create pricing image table with RTMKit Pro. But first of all, you need to install the RTMKit, and you need to upgrade it to Pro on the website. This is RTMKit, and you need to upgrade it to RTMKit Pro. And you need to go to the website here, and you need to upgrade it to the Pro. It's gonna loading first. And later on you will get the plugin and you install it, and there is option in here RTMKit Pro, and in there is pressing image box. I will show you what is different pressing image box with pricing table. First of all, you need to create grid and add element and scroll down, and in here you need to drag and drop pricing image box, and add element as well, and need to drag and drop pricing table. I will show you what's different. So here's the different. The difference is there is an image in here. There is no image in here, and this image can turn to a gallery as well. So if you want to add more than one picture, you can add more, like this one. Yeah, that was the difference. So I will show you how to edit it. So first of all, you can change product title, HTML text, subheading, and this can be bottom also, title position, and enable short description in here, and can put image in here, image or icon. You can put icon as well, or image. Can put gallery or just one picture, and you can change price here for the currency, and promotion tag here. So normal price or not showing normal price. So it's different layout, and showing like this one. A feature can create a description in between. Divider here, the item that you can change for the description item, the icon, and you can add more item if you want. Here's the button. You show button or show the button like here. You can paste URL also. Here's the ribbon. In here, the ribbon. It can be badge like this one, and position as well can be here. You can change it, and the footer as well. Footer down here. You can show it or not show it. And for the style, here's footer container. You can change it, the padding, and the image as well. How's the radius border? Can be 5. And the padding as well. And head title. You can change in here, in the center or on the right. And can use spacing as well. Section spacing. You change typography, color as well. Subheading, the same thing. Alignment, typography, and color. And normal price, you can change it in here, in the center or on the right. Can give spacing as well. And the price is the same as well. You can change it. Position, vertical position, padding, price is the same. And the feature are the same as well for the alignment, item spacing. So yeah, if you want to have a pricing image box, you need to upgrade it RTMKit to RTMKit Pro in the website, and you can install it immediately to your website. Thank you. Pro.